UiPath has got two design experiences. One is the classic and the other is the modern design experience. As an RPA developer, we should know both the experiences, how to use what. In this playlist, we are covering the classic versus the modern design in a step-by-step manner where we are focusing more on the modern design. In the previous videos of the playlist, we have covered already all of these topics. In case you are absolutely new to modern design and you want to get started, you can refer to the playlist and get started. Today, we are going to talk about the window attach mode property in the use application/browser. We have talked about this in brief when I was discussing about the properties of use application/browser. But today in this video, we are going to see into the details of the Windows attach mode property. It has two options which are available. One is the single window and the other is the application instance. So as a developer, we should be aware of when should I use what. So that is what we are going to explore in this video, that what exactly is the Windows attach mode, when to use what. In case you are coming to the channel for the first time and you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel to get the latest videos in the playlist. Having said that, let's now go to UiPath Studio and explore the window attach mode. Okay, so I am back into my UiPath Studio and this is the same modern design solution which we have been working on. I have created a new sequence in front of me, right? So now let me show you what exactly I mean by Windows attach mode, right? So first I'll go to the activities and I'll drag and drop the use application/browser activity. As we understand that in the modern design, this is the first activity which we should take, right? Now here it says that indicate application to automate, right? So let's say I'll just show you with the help of a notepad. So I have a notepad here which I want to automate. Okay, now I go here and I say indicate on the notepad, right? And it's indicate on the notepad, and then I can see here that the notepad is available. If I go now to the properties, you would notice that here I am using the Windows attach mode and here this property is available, and you have two options, which is the application instance and the other one is a single window, right? Now what is the difference between them? The difference would come in picture when you actually try to use some activities within the scope, right? So first thing first, if I go to the activity and I try to use a click activity, I'll drag and drop a click. Okay, and now if you see here, this is set to an application instance, right? So now if I say indicate element on the notepad and I point it to any of this button, let's say the file button, right? Now what would happen? All the targeting method would try to find this element, right? We have already discussed all of this in the previous video, so not going into detail. Please watch the previous videos in case you don't understand any of this, right? Now since I have selected the application instance, you are seeing this window which is called the window selector, meaning that when you select the application instance, you get this one which is called the window selector, where as a developer you have an option to edit the selector for the complete application or the complete window. So the setting which I have done was the application instance, and as an developer now I have option to edit, modify, include the wildcards in this one, right? So this is an example where I have configured the use application/browser as an application instance and I am getting these options. So let me just go here and I click on confirm. Okay, so once I confirm, all of this would be available as a descriptor and it is able to click on the file button, right? Now if I go here, you would notice that it is still on the application instance, right? So now let me go here and I change it to something which is called single window. Now I am telling UiPath that now you need to attach the window in a single mode, right? Now let's see what happens. Now if I go and take a click activity and if I try to point on the file button, right, you would notice that I am not getting that parent, or I'm not getting that window selector which I cannot edit. The only option which I had is to modify this element selector, but I cannot edit the parent, right? So that is the first difference which you see when you actually use the Windows attach mode versus the application or the single one, right? So this is in the single window, that's why I'm not getting that window selector option to edit, right? So I can click on confirm and this should also work, right? So till this point we understand that in the use application / browser, I have this option which is Windows attach mode, which is set to single window and application instance. If I select application instance, the developer get an option to edit the complete parent selector. If I select the single window, I do not get the complete parent window selector. I only is able to edit the actual element and not the complete settings, right? But to actually understand what would be the scenario where you would like to use it, right? The scenario would be where you have some pop-ups which are coming on the web page, right? So next what I'm going to do is I will just delete this from here and I am going to my website now, right? What I have got is I have got this browser which is a W3 School, and if I click on this button, it gives me a pop-up saying that hello, I am a alert box, right? So now if I go back to my UiPath Studio, now to automate the browser, we have the same activity, which is the use application / browser. Drag and drop it here, right? And when you drag and drop it the first time, now if I go to the property, we can see that it is set to the application instance, right? So now you can see here the pop-up is still available, and I'll just say indicate and I'll point it to the complete application like this, right? So my agenda is that I just want to click OK on that pop-up, right? So I just pointed it with the help of the use application / browser. Now if I just go here and I use a click activity, drag and drop it here, and I indicate, and I just have to point it to this OK button, right? And you can see that I'm still getting the Windows selector because I am using the application instance. I just say confirm and that's it, right? Now I run this automation, it should go and it will click on the OK button, right? So now if you see here, the setting which was applied was the application instance, right? So this automation was a straightforward automation. But now the interesting one comes, if I go here and I change this guy to something which is called single window. Okay, now I have changed this to single window, where I am telling UiPath that hey, I want to work only on the single window and I don't want to work on any additional things such as the pop-up, right? Now if I just remove this and I take a new click activity, okay, now here just to recap, I have just make it to single window, right? Now if I go to the click activity and I say indicate, now if I go to this button and I try to click on this OK button, you would notice that I am getting an error saying that the UI element to be found does not belong to the target application as the window is set to single window, meaning that you cannot work on the additional pop-up on the screens, right? So in case you want to restrict your automation from doing that, you can use it like this, right? Now if I click OK, and now if I try to interact with some other buttons on this screen, like this say try, right? I am able to click on this try button, right? So as you can see, I am able to click on the try button. I can say confirm, right? But what I am not able to do was I was not able to click on this button which is a pop-up, right? So basically when you use the application instance, you are able to interact with all the things including the pop-ups and everything. However, when you select the single window, you are only able to interact with the single base window and you do not get the window selector option, right? Now if I talk about the official documentation, so this is the official documentation of use application / browser. This is what I was talking about, right? Windows attach mode, define where the inner activities search for their target elements. If I select it to application instance, the inner activities are indicated including all the parents and the child windows. What do I mean by child windows? Example, the pop-ups, the alerts, right? And the other instances of the applications are excluded. If you select it to single window, inner activity search only in the indicated window where you have indicated. Now it won't select in the alerts or in the pop-ups, right? So this is what is the difference between using the Windows attach mode in single versus the application instance. Where this is located in the use application / browser. Go to the properties and select from here, right? So I hope now you got the clear understanding between the application instance and single window, right? In case you are with me and you understood, just comment down Windows attach mode so that I understand that yes, we all are on the same page. And in case if you have any more questions, any more doubts, feel free to write me in the comments, or you can also drop me an email as well. Okay, so that is all for this video. I would like to wrap this video here. I hope this was insightful. If you have any more questions, any more doubts, feel free to write me in the comments, or you can also drop me an email as well. I would appreciate your feedback on the video, and tell me in the comments what would be the next topic or next video you want to see. So with that, I would wrap this video here. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to the channel, and happy automation.